Hey everyone, today we're exploring one of Photoshop's most powerful tools, the Liquify tool, to show you how to transform your portraits into stunning works of art. If you don't have Photoshop yet, I'll guide you through where and how to download it before we get into the tutorial. Let's get started. First, let's get Photoshop set up. If you don't have it installed yet, I've included a download link in the description below. Here's how you can get it. Click the link, which will take you to Adobe's official website. Once there, you'll see a few options for Photoshop plans. If you're just starting out, go ahead and select the free trial. It gives you full access to the software for a limited time so that you can try it out risk-free. Follow the instructions on the site to create or sign in to your Adobe account. Click the download button to start the process. The wizard will guide you through the installation, making it a breeze. You'll be up and running in no time. Once it's installed, open Photoshop and you're ready. Now, let's jump into the fun part, editing your portraits with the Liquify tool. The Liquify tool is one of the most versatile tools in Photoshop. It's perfect for enhancing portraits with small, natural-looking adjustments that make a big impact. For example, you can refine facial features like the jawline, adjust eye size, or even create subtle tweaks to improve symmetry, all while keeping the original essence of the image intact. Once you open the Liquify workspace, you'll see several options. The interface is user-friendly, with tools and settings neatly arranged for easy access. Face-Aware Liquify is a standout feature. It automatically detects facial features and lets you make adjustments with simple sliders. Want slightly larger eyes for a more captivating look? No problem. Need to refine the mouth shape or soften the nose? It's all incredibly intuitive, and don't worry if you make a mistake. The Reconstruct tool is there to support your creativity, allowing you to undo changes in specific areas without resetting everything. This gives you the freedom to experiment and perfect your edits without stress. After you've made your adjustments with the Liquify tool, it's time to polish your portrait. You can enhance brightness and contrast, sharpen details like the eyes and hair, or even add a soft color grade to give your image a professional finish. These small details make all the difference and take your edits to the next level. And there you have it. With Photoshop's Liquify tool, you can unleash your creativity and transform your portraits into stunning, polished masterpieces. If you haven't downloaded Photoshop yet, don't forget to grab it from the link in the description below. It's quick and easy to get started. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what kind of edits you want to learn next. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video. Happy editing!